Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to get smooth lines in Krita. First, select the freehand brush tool. Then open the Tool Options docker. Under the smoothing section, change the smoothing type to stabilizer. This is Krita's strongest line correction method. Increase the distance or delay value to make your stroke smoother. Higher values create cleaner curves but slightly delay your brush movement. If you want smoother lines without heavy delay, choose Basic Smoothing instead. Next, check your brush settings. Make sure you're using a brush preset designed for line art, like inking brushes. Avoid textured or heavily spaced brushes, since spacing can cause rough edges. In the brush editor, lower the spacing value if needed. Lower spacing creates smoother continuous strokes. Also, work on a higher resolution canvas. Small canvases naturally produce rough edges. For clean line art, create documents with at least 2000 pixels on the longest side. This gives your strokes more pixel data to render smoothly. If your lines still look shaky, slow down your hand movement and use longer strokes instead of short repeated ones. Stabilizer works best with confident strokes. And that's how you get smooth lines in Krita. Thanks for watching.